Alrighty, so today we are going to the Big Goose, which is like a children's farm. So it's the first time we've actually taken Corbyn somewhere where he's actually been old enough to like know the animals and things that are going on. So let's go. You excited, Corby? You want to see cows and goats and horses and kangaroos? Yeah? Are you excited? Are you pumped up? Yeah. Alright, we'll be there soon. Just getting some petrol. Yeah. You sleepy? Yeah. You got Stag? Yeah, you got him. Where's your eyes? Good job. Where's your head? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Good boy. Where's your ears? Ears. Yeah, good boy. Where's your hands? Yay. Where's your feet? Where's your knees? Do you remember this one? Where's your knees? Knee. Knees. These are your knees. Where's your knees? Yeah, good boy. Wow.
Ow. Ow.
Chicken.
Ow.
Is he hiding under the mirror? He's not squashed, he's just hiding.
Ow. Ow.
What did chicken say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's roosters, close. What does the snake say? Hello, snake. Corbyn, look! Oh my goodness. Oh, so cute. Hello. Wow. Good job. Here, touch here. Touch. Good job. Isn't that cool? Wow. Hi, Sneaky Snake. Hi. Oh, they're very warm. They're very warm. Now you're like that. Yes, it's there.
You want to cuddle that one, do you? Constrictors, which means they might wrap around and get a little bit tight. If they do that, I will come and save you, right? If you're too far gone, not much I can do about it. I'm sorry, right? If you're too far away, I probably didn't see it happen, alright?
You say hi? You don't? It's okay, he's fine. No, no, Goat, you go, Daddy, and I'll pet Goat, okay? It's alright, but they don't fight. I have people in the bottom and that's it. I think you scared me more than anything. Yeah, we big turkey. What a baby. Apparently this rooster is chasing Ben, so he's scared of the chickens. Yeah, you're right, he's confident. A little bit. Look at you. He's a bastard. Corbyn's off wandering by himself, he doesn't even care, and you're running with a rooster.
Rooster's not chasing.
He's not even chasing you, just seeing if you got food. Oh no. I don't care. Oh, that's my whole hand. Oh, thank you so much. I love this couple so much, but Ben and Corbyn are walking off because they're bored of her. But she's so cute. She's so friendly. You watch now, she'll bite me with some shit. But... Hello? Yeah, you're gonna eat my hood, are you? Don't bite! Bye bye. Cheese. Hello, handsome. Oh, oh, come daddy. Time to head home. Oh, little Cody. Hello, cow. Hello, little boy. You gonna let me pet you? Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, licking me. Alright, we are back home. Howie, did you have a good day today? Yeah. Do you like all the animals?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so fun, huh? You can go back there again? Do you want to go back there again one day?
No.
One day, yeah. Yeah, I had a really good time, although it was freezing. But yeah, we'll definitely go back there again. There was only, I mean, I'm really picky with like animal places and stuff, and there was only one turkey that was kind of limping. But yeah, everything else was great. We had a lot of fun. I'm gonna end this here because we're just gonna chill for the rest of the night, have some dinner, and then go to bed. So, say bye-bye. Good boy. Can you say bye-bye?
No, me.
Say bye-bye.
No, me.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good boy. Bye-bye.